Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to subject business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 5th for the chapter ratio and proportion, indices, logarithms. The topic that we are going to look today is logarithms. This is the last topic or last unit of this chapter. Now start with logarithms. The logarithm of a number to a given base is the index or the power, here a raised to m. So a is base, m is power or index, to which the base must be raised to produce the number, to make it equal to the given number. If there are three quantities indicated by a, x, n, they are related as follow. If a raised to x is equal to n, here n greater than 0, a greater than 0, a not equal to 1, then x is said to be the logarithm of the number n to the base a. X is said to be the logarithm of the number n. Log n to the base a, log n base a. Symbolically, it can be expressed as follows: log n is equal to x. Log n base a is equal to x. The logarithm of n to the base a is x. Logarithm of n to the base a is x. Now see some example. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. Here 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. In the previous, a raised to x is equal to n. So compare 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16 with a raised to x is equal to n. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So a raised to x is equal to n. Here a is equal to 2, base x is equal to 4 and n is equal to 16. So log 16 base 2, log of 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. The logarithm of 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. Now 10 cube is equal to 1000. Also compare with a raised to x is equal to n. A is equal to 10, n is equal to 3 and x is equal to, here a raised to x, so x is equal to 3 and n is equal to 1000. So logarithm of 1000 to the base 10 is equal to 3. The logarithm of 1000 to the base 10 is 3. 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 125. Here we can write log 5 a raised to x is equal to n. So log n means 1 upon 125. Logarithm of 1 upon 125 to to the base 5 is equal to minus 3. So the logarithm of 1 upon 125 to the base 5 is minus 3. Same way, 2 cube is equal to 8. A raised to x is equal to n. So a 2. A is equal to 2. X is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8. Log n base a is equal to x. Log a means 2. So log 2 n means 8 is equal to x is equal to 3. The logarithm of a to the base 2 is 3. The two equations a raised to x is equal to n. The two equations a raised to x is equal to n and x is equal to log n are only transformations of each other and should be remembered to change one form of the relation into the other. The logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. Log 1 is equal to 0. This is because any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Because here a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. The logarithm of any quantity to the same base is unity. The logarithm of any quantity to the same base is unity. This is because any quantity raised to the power 1 is that quantity only. So here a raised to 1 is equal to a compared with a raised to x is equal to n. So log n to the base a is equal to x. Here log a is equal to n, so 1. So the logarithm of any quantity to the same base is unity. This is because any quantity raised to the power of 1 is that quantity only. Illustrations. If log root 2 or square root of 2 is equal to 1 by 6, find the value of a compared with log a n is equal to log n base a is equal to x. Here n is equal to root 2, x is equal to 1 by 6 is given and base a equal to a. So now from this a raised to x is equal to n we can write. So a raised to x, a raised to 1 by 6, n means square root of 2. So a is equal to both side taking a raised to 1 by 6 multiply with 6. Same way root 2 multiply with 6. A is equal to 6 cancel here. Here a raised to 1 by 6 is equal to root 2 6 cancel. So a is equal to root 2 raised to 6 is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 2 into 6. 2 3s are, so 2 cube is equal to 8. Now next, find the logarithm of 5832 to the base 3 root 2. Find the logarithm of 5832 to the base 3 root 2. Now taking log 5832 base 3 root 2 is equal to x. We may write 3 under root 2 raised to x. 3 under root 2 raised to x is equal to 5832. Convert 5832 in the form of 3 and 2. So 5832 is equal to 8 into 729 is equal to 8 means 2 cube and 729 means 3 raised to 6. Here we can also write 2 convert into root 2 form. So in the root 2 form, root 2 raised to 6, 3 raised to 6. So 3 root 2 raised to 6. Here 3 root 2x is equal to 3 root 2 raised to 6. Here base are same. Base same. So power becomes equal. So hence x is equal to 6. Logarithm of numbers to the base 10 are known as common logarithm. 10 is used, base 10 is used as common logarithm. Fundamental laws of logarithm. First law, logarithm of the product of two numbers, consider m and n, is equal to the sum of the logarithm of the numbers to the same base. Base remains same. So log a m into n is equal to log a m plus log a n. Here log a 2 into 3 is equal to, for example, we can take 2 and 3, 4 m and n. Log base same, so log a is base same, 2 plus log 3 to base a. Next one, log one into 5. So log 1 plus log 5. Here log 1 is equal to 0. So log 5. Next example, log a 6. So log a 3 into 2. So log a log 3 plus log 2. Now next law. The logarithm of the quotient of two numbers is equal to the difference of their logarithms to the same base. Here consider one example, log 3 by 2 to the base a is equal to log 3 minus log 2. Next example, log 1 by 2 is equal to log 1 minus log 2, but value of log 1 is log 1 is equal to 0. So put the value of log 1, so answer we will get minus log 2. Next, log 3 by 5 is equal to log 3 minus log 5. Now next, logarithm of the number raised to the power is equal to the index of the power multiplied by the logarithm of the number to the same base. Here log m raised to n. N is index. So n into log m to the base a. Consider one example. 2 cube. Here m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. So 3 log 2. 3 log 2. Next example. Log 5 square. So 2 log 5. Now next in the next slide we will solve some questions. Find the logarithm of 1728 to the base 2 square root of 3. Here 1728. Find the logarithm of 1728 to the base 2 root 3. So we can write log 1728 is equal to how much? Here 1728 convert into smallest form or in the form of 2 and 3. 2 raised to 6 into 3 cube. Same way 2 raised to 6 into square root of 3 because we required root 3. Root 3 raised to 6. 1728 is equal to 2 raised to 6 into 3 cube is equal to 2 raised to 6 into 3 cube. So instead of 3 cube we can write 3 1 by 2 into 6. So 3 1 by 2 6 root 3 raised to 6. So root 3 is to 6. So 6 6. So 2 root 3 raised to 6. So we may write log 1728 is equal to 6. Next, solve 1 by 2 log 25 base 10 minus 2 log 3 base 10 plus log 18 base 10. Here base remains same. So log 25 1 by 2 n log a. So log 25 1 half raised to 1 half minus log 3 2. So 3 square plus log 18 is equal to log 25 means 5 square 1 by 2 minus 3 square 9 plus 18 log 18 log 2 to cancel. So 5 log 5 minus log 9 plus log 18. Here base remains same. So we can take multiplication and division. 5 plus 18. Here 5 multiply with 18 minus log 9, so divide by 9. So 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10, log 10 base log 10 base also 10. So log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So answer is 1. Next, change of base. Change of base. If the logarithm of a number to any base is given, then the logarithm of the same number to any other base can be determined from the following relation. Log m is equal to log m to the base a is equal to log m to the base b into log b to the base a. So we can write log m to the base b is equal to log m base to the base a by log b to the base a. Log a 3 is equal to log b. So here log m, value of m is 3, base b is equal to log 3 base a upon log a log b base a. Next, change the base of log 31 into the common logarithmic base, because here base is 5. Base is 5. So log 31 to the base 5. So here log x to the base a is equal to log x to the base a is equal to log x to the base b upon log a to the base b. So log 31 to the base 5 is equal to log common logarithmic base means 10. Base is 10. So b is 10, x is 31, so answer is log 31 to the base 5 is equal to log in the common logarithmic base. So 10 is common logarithmic base. Log 31 to the base 10 divided by log 5 to the base 10. Next, prove that log 8 to the base 3 by log 16 to the base 9 into log 10 to the base 4 is equal to 3 log 2 to the base 10. Change all the logarithms on left hand side to the base 10 by using the formula. So formula is log x to the base b is equal to b. Here b is 10. 10 is common logarithmic base. B is equal to here log bx. So here here a is common logarithmic base by this equation. B log x to the base b is equal to log x to the a by log b to the a. Log 8 to the base 3 is equal to, convert into common logarithmic base. So common logarithmic base is a is equal to 10. Put the value of a 10 base 10, or put the value of x is 8. So log 8 base 10 by log 3, value of b 3 base 10. So instead of 8 we can write 2 cube, or here log 3 as it is, log 3 as it is. So 3 into log 2 by log 3. Next, simplification of log 16 to the base 9. Here log 16 by log 9. 16 means 2 raised to 4, 9 means 3 square. So here we can write 4 log 2 or 2 log 3. 2 to the 4. We can also write 2 to the 4. So 2 log 3. Log 10 to the base 4 is equal to log 10 base 10 by log 4 is equal to log 10 log a is equal to 1. So log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. 1 upon log 4 is equal to, instead of 4 we can write 2 square. So 2 log 2. Put the value of all these 3 into equation. So 3 log 2 by log 3 into 2 log 3 by 4 log 2 into 2 log 2. Here 4, 2 to the 4 cancel, log 3 cancel, log 2 cancel. So answer is 3 log 2. Next, relation between indices and logarithm. Here log m plus log n, log m plus log n base a is equal to log m into n upon m into n base to the base a. Example, take one example, log 2 to the base a and log 3 to the base a. So 2 into 3 is equal to log 6 to the base a. Same way, log mn to the base a is equal to log m plus log n. Log m raised to n to the base a is equal to n log m. Log 2 cube is equal to 3 log 2 to the base a. Log a to the base b into log b to the base a is equal to 1. So log 2 to the base 3. Same way, log 3 to the base 2. Both are multiplication of both are 1. Now next example, find the logarithm of 64 to the base 2 root 2. Logarithm of 64 2 root 2. 64. So 64 is square of 8. So 8 square 2. 2 log 8 is equal to 2. Convert 8 into 2 root 2 form. Here 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So root 2 into root 2. 2 into log. So 2 root 2 square. 2 into 2 log. Take 2 here. So is equal to 2 into 2 1, because log a to the base a is equal to 1. 2 2s are 4. So answer is 4. Answer is 4. Next, log BC is equal to x. Log CA to the base b. Here log BC to the base a is equal to x. Log CA to the base b is equal to y. Log AB to the base c is equal to z. Then prove that 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon y plus 1 plus 1 upon z plus 1 is equal to 1. Now, first find out x plus 1 is equal to value of x plus 1. So, x plus 1 is equal to log BC, put the value of x, log BC base a, plus instead of 1 we can write log a to the base a is equal to, using log we can write here base same, a base same. So log ABC to the base a, log m plus log n is equal to log mn, using this law. Y plus 1 same way, log CA base b plus log b base b is equal to log a into b into c base b. So ABC base to the base b. Z plus 1 log AB base c plus log c to the base c is equal to log ABC to the base c. Now put the value x plus 1, y plus 1 and z plus 1 into this equation. So 1 upon log ABC to the base a plus 1 upon log ABC to the base b plus 1 upon log ABC to the base c. So denominator becomes numerator, so it will change, log base change, or log, it becomes log a ABC, log a to the base ABC plus log b to the base ABC, log c to the base ABC. So here ABC base common means same, base same. So log ABC to the base ABC is equal to 1, because log a to the base a is equal to 1. Now go through summary. Log mn is equal to log m plus log n, log 2 into 3, so log 2 plus log 3. Log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. So log 3 by 2 is equal to log 3 minus log 2. Log m raised to n, so n into log m. 2 cube, log 2 cube is equal to 3 into log 2. Here log a to the base a is equal to 1, where a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1. Log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. Log 3 to the base 3 is equal to 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. Log 1 is equal to 0. Log 1 to the base 2 is equal to 0. Log 1 to the any base. Log 1 to the any base or any number is equal to 0. Log a to the base b into log b to the base a is equal to 1. Log 2 to the base 3 and into log 3 to the base 2 is equal to 1. Log a to the base b into log b to the base c is equal to log a base a to the base c. Log 2 base 3 into log 3 to base 5 is equal to log 2 to base 5. Log a base b is equal to log a upon log b. Log a to the base b is equal to log a upon log b. So log 2 base 3 is equal to log 2 by log 3. Log a base b is equal to 1 upon log b to the base a. So a log a raised to log to the base a raised to log x to the base a is equal to x. Inverse logarithmic property. Inverse logarithm property. The two equation ax is equal to n and x is equal to log n are only transformation of each other, and x is equal to log n are only transformation of each other and should be remembered to change one form of the relation into the other. So a1 is equal to a log a is equal to 1. Notes: if base is understood, base is taken as 10, common logarithm. Thus log 10 is equal to 1 and log 1 is equal to 0. Logarithm using base 10 is called common logarithm, and logarithm using base e is called natural logarithm, where e is equal to 2.33 approximately, called exponential number. The equation and the theory of logarithm is over here. So in the next lecture we will solve the questions. So see you soon. Bye bye.